during COVID also, we have done a webinar only giving information saying that people who had more than 5 crore worth of coverage and their business is shut for more than 30 days, though you have an insurance, it is not covered. So what we did to help our customers and people who are not our customers also, to give this insight, if you have a fire insurance, asset insurance, and it's more than 5 crores and it is not shut, your business is shut more than 30 days, you need to inform an insurance company, they saying that you have an insurable interest.
So as you know, I'm into accounting, payroll, all these compliance services, PF, ESI, labor compliance, all the compliance activities I do for the lot of SME entrepreneurs and startups. Lot of employers and employees have come up with a lot of queries by saying that what are the insurance benefits I get. As an employee, they have asked me, what is the safety which I have in an organization? And even employers have come, what is the cost benefit? What is the tax deferment? What is their future again benefit agutte? Will it be helpful to retain the employees? All these questions they have asked with me. So like I want your guidance, and they have come up with the particular specific questions.
Insurance is a very important aspect because as an employer they need to protect their employee and take care of their well-being while they're working with them. So that is the reason insurance is very, very important. And they want a better service, a quick service, and they don't want to break their heads. So what we tell our customers and what they experience from us is very simple. When the job is handed over to us, we not only give a right advice for them to fulfill their requirements, and also we manage the entire claim process, endorsements, everything we manage. So our customers' words are very simple. They say, Nagaraja, we forget once we hand over the job to you. Okay, they don't break their heads. And even a HR or a admin, we make it very clear, if there is any claim that comes from an employee, the employee, attender or a family member, they will directly get in touch with us, and we will ensure the entire claim process is taken care very smoothly. The admin and HR says, no, we are so happy that we don't need to get involved. So that is a feedback that we get from our customers. That is on the health insurance, life insurance. Similarly, you also said there is a factory, there is a premises, they need to cover their risk. So basically it's called as a asset insurance or a fire insurance, a burglary insurance, building insurance. So we understand the requirement, we see what type of business it is. According to the business, according to the risk type, we try to give a very suitable product and give relevant add-ons. These add-ons will give you a holistic approach. Normally people buy from banks because they have taken loan, or they buy from somebody whom they know, but they may not get the professional advice and professional services. Wherein during COVID also, we have done a webinar only giving information saying that people who had more than 5 crore worth of coverage and their business is shut for more than 30 days, though you have an insurance, it is not covered. So what we did to help our customers and people who are not our customers also, to give this insight, if you have a fire insurance, asset insurance, and it's more than 5 crores and it is not shut, your business is shut more than 30 days, you need to inform an insurance company, they saying that you have an insurable interest. And if you do that, only then you are covered, otherwise you are not covered. So these are the critical points which we speak and make sure our customers get full benefit.
Okay, so some of the few questions I have, specific question. Like, can you tell me, like, if a partnership firm, there are two partners, like, if and with a 20 employee size, like, if they want an employer and employee insurance, what is the key benefit which I can tell that? Because they ask tax deferment or whatever, like, can you tell me?
So it's a very nice question, Freeman, that you have asked. You know, a lot of people, there is a provision in income tax wherein for the welfare of employee, they take an insurance that is basically employer-employee insurance, and because it's a cost to the company by paying a premium, it is treated as an expense. And whatever premium that they are paying for a set period, they don't have to pay tax. It's exempted from the tax as it is treated as an expense. And there is a deferment of tax. In the virtue of it, it's not the intention to defer it, but by virtue it is a deferment. So they have a coverage, there is a benefit given to the employee. There is a tax deferment also.
Okay.
But at the time of the policy is getting assigned to the employee, that is when either company has to pay the tax or the individual who's getting the benefit has to pay a tax.
Yeah.
But advantage here is there is a saving. There is a saving for the company. And there is a saving for the employee also.
Yeah,
He's creating a wealth for his future.
Correct.
And this helps in retention.
Yeah.
For a company, retaining an employee is a big headache.
Yeah.
By giving these facilities and provisions to employee, the retention will increase, the trust increases between the employer and employee.
Okay.
So this adds a lot of productivity to the company as well.
Okay. Great. And second question what I have is like a few have come up with me that what is Keyman Insurance and how it is beneficiary for the SME organization. So can you give a gist about
So
that?
typically, Keyman Insurance is nothing but it is a term insurance.
Okay.
But why it is called as Keyman, not as a term insurance in a general way, is because they are the key people of the organization.
Okay.
And because of their expertise and their capabilities and the connections which they carry, they bring huge amount of revenue or a business to the company. And a lot of orders they would have been able to crack because of these key people. Tomorrow, something happens to that key person who's of the company, then there is a financial loss to the company because some orders may get cancelled also. They say no, because of so and so X person, I have given this order to you. Now that person is no more. I'm not sure whether you're really able to cater and deliver my work. So when there is a financial loss incurred because of the absence of that key person, there is a loss to the business. This Keyman policy helps basically in protecting that financial loss.
Okay, understood.
The benefit goes to the company.
Okay.
And now the company has a choice whether they want to keep that benefit with the company or they want to pass it on to the family. That is again depends on the...
Okay. And Keyman can be given to employee also, director also, partner also? How is it?
Any key person of the company.
Any key person of the company. Okay.
Including director, founder, anybody.
Okay. One SME entrepreneur like who is aged of 49 years old, like he's doing his business since 20 years and he has come up with me and told me that, see Freeman, I am not into government job. I don't have any pension. Now business is there. Tomorrow business like once I grow older, 58 or 60, I cannot be. I'm not able to run the business.
Correct.
So he was looking for pension. Plan in insurance policy.
Yeah.
What is the best way to go for that age, 49 years old age, as a businessman?
So it is basically you are looking for a stable income as a pensioner. You want to receive an income so that you can live your life post-retirement happily. So that can be done in various aspects. It can be through a pension policy. We can cater by giving a good pension policy for them. Or there are insurance-linked investment plan which has tax-free benefits, which also will give you a regular income. Or we can also bundle it with a bouquet of products, including mutual funds, pension, insurance. We build a portfolio kind of it and ensure each has got their own pros and cons. But when we bundle it, we build a solution around it, and then we help him to have a peaceful retirement.
Okay, understood. One more last question, Nagaraja. So I have saw that there are a lot of tech layoffs are happening, lakhs and lakhs of employment job loss are happening because of the lot of changes in the job market and all. So for those kind of people who has a job risk, which policy do you suggest for the longer
So I
term?
would not say only policy because as a company we give a holistic services, holistic approach. You need a mix of income stream coming from. So we have policies, we have investments, mutual funds and other investment tools. So we bundle the entire thing and build a solution, and then we make sure the cash flows are made available, even those job losses. So I'll give a classic example. During COVID, a lot of our customers did not have to get into panic because there were layoff, there were salary delay, there were deductions in the salary, and none of our customers went into panic because we made sure the cash flows were available. Till that time, at least 6 months, 8 months of the cash flows were made available. So by then they got another job and they survived.
Yeah, great. So a lot of knowledge statements you have shared, which I'll share it with my client.
Yeah.
So, and I want your support also. Like I'll
Definitely.
have the joint calls, all those things. Yeah.
Definitely, Freeman.
yes,
I think we both can actually add value to the client, because your client also needs services from us.
Correct.
So when they come up with some queries like this, we both can help them and make sure.
Yes. It's a value addition for the customer, our client. Yeah.
Thank you, Freeman.
Thanks. Yeah.